Number 1. 1995 Ford F-150, price $7,000. It has been well cared for and currently shows just 95,000 miles. It is powered by a dependable gasoline 6-cylinder engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission, making it a reliable choice for everyday driving, light hauling, or weekend projects. The truck features a classic red exterior complemented by a clean gray interior that has been kept in excellent condition. It comes well equipped with several practical upgrades, including a durable bed liner, a toolbox for added storage, dual fuel tanks for extended driving range, and an auxiliary transmission cooler to help improve transmission performance and longevity. The truck also has tinted windows, brand new shocks for a more comfortable ride, and a set of tires with less than 2,000 miles of use, providing plenty of life left. The body is solid and completely rust-free, while the interior remains clean and well-maintained, reflecting the care it has received over the years. Number 2. 1999 GMC 1500, price $7,700. This truck has 152,000 miles and is powered by a reliable 5.3L V8 gasoline engine paired with a smooth-shifting automatic transmission. It features a clean white exterior complemented by a black interior, giving the truck a classic and well-maintained appearance. Several upgrades have already been completed, including a brand new transmission, a side-exit exhaust system, new snowflake wheels wrapped in brand new tires, seats sourced from a 2006 model, and a new headliner that refreshes the cabin. The truck runs and drives well, offering dependable performance for daily driving, weekend cruising, or light-duty work. It carries a salvage title because it was previously stolen and later recovered, not because of a collision, and it has never been involved in an accident. The title is in hand, and the registration is valid through next year, making it ready for its next owner. Number 3. 1996 Ford Ranger, price $9,299. It has 165,000 original miles and is powered by a dependable 4.0L V6 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. It features a green exterior, a clean blue interior, an extended cab, and a 6-foot bed, offering plenty of room for both cargo and passengers. The truck runs like new and has been well maintained, with a recent oil change, new brakes and rotors, and new shocks. It also comes equipped with power windows, a rear sliding window, and fully functioning heat and air conditioning for added comfort. This classic Ranger has been garage kept and retains its original paint with no rust on the rocker panels or wheel wells. The interior is exceptionally clean, the frame is solid, and the truck is ready to drive. It comes with a clean title and bill of sale in hand, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable and well-cared-for classic pickup. Number 4. 2000 Chevrolet S10, price $6,990, with 123,000 miles. It is powered by a fuel-efficient 2.2L 4-cylinder gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive, making it an economical choice for everyday driving. The truck features a black exterior with a gray cloth interior and comes equipped with ice-cold air conditioning and an upgraded stereo system for added comfort and entertainment. The black onyx paint still presents well, although there is some checked paint on the hood and minor rust above one of the wheel wells, consistent with the truck's age. Overall, it runs well and offers a dependable, budget-friendly option for anyone looking for a practical compact pickup with low mileage for its model year. Number 5. 1999 Ford F-150, price $5,900. It features an automatic transmission, is finished in a blue exterior, and is powered by a dependable 4.6L V8 gasoline engine. The current owner has been the second owner since 2011, and the truck has proven to be exceptionally reliable throughout that time. Mechanically, it is in great shape, with the engine running strong and the transmission shifting smoothly. Routine maintenance has always been performed on schedule, with documentation available. Recent service includes an oil change, new spark plugs and spark plug wires, a coolant flush, a replaced serpentine belt, new sway bar links and stabilizer bar control links, a new fuel filter, a new water pump, and a new brake switch. The air conditioning blows cold, making this F-150 a well-maintained, dependable pickup that is ready for its next owner. Number 6. 1996 Ford F-350, price $6,800, equipped with a powerful 7.5L gasoline engine and a 2WD drivetrain, making it an excellent choice for hauling, work, or everyday driving. Finished in white, this 4-door truck features a long bed with a matching camper shell, providing additional protection and storage for cargo. Its exterior is enhanced with chrome bumpers, side steps, and alloy wheels. The truck runs great and has been well maintained, with several important mechanical upgrades already completed. It has been fitted with 2 brand new fuel tanks, 2 brand new fuel pumps, and a brand new fuel filter, helping ensure reliable fuel delivery and dependable performance. The vehicle is currently on non-operational (non-op) status, meaning it does not owe any back registration fees.
Number 7.
2001 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,000. This truck has 193,000 miles on the odometer and is powered by a reliable 5.3L Vortec V8 gasoline engine paired with a desirable floor-shift manual transmission and a capable 4x4 drivetrain. Finished in green with a clean gray interior, this truck has been a dependable workhorse and has consistently proven itself ready for daily driving, tough jobs, or weekend adventures. It starts easily, runs strong, and delivers the durability and performance that the Chevrolet 1500 is well known for. The truck has been described as dependable enough to go wherever it is needed, making it a practical choice for anyone looking for a hard-working pickup. The only known mechanical issue is that the air conditioning is currently not working, but aside from that, it has served reliably and continues to perform well.
Number 8.
1986 Mazda B2000, price $4,500. It has 123,500 miles and comes with an automatic transmission. Recent improvements include a new Redline Weber 32 of 36 carburetor conversion, which eliminates unnecessary factory components for a simpler and more efficient setup. It also has a new oversized radiator, new water pump, new 180-degree thermostat, and a new valve cover gasket to help keep the engine running cool and leak-free. The ignition system has been completely updated with new spark plugs, spark plug wires, and a new distributor, while a new fuel pump ensures reliable fuel delivery. The clutch slave cylinder was recently replaced, allowing it to shift smoothly, and it is equipped with a new Super Start battery for dependable starting.
Number 9.
1999 Ford Ranger, price $3,800, powered by a reliable 3.0L V6 gasoline engine paired with a smooth 5-speed manual transmission. It has been driven 208,500 miles and has been well maintained, running strong with no oil leaks. The truck features a red exterior complemented by a gray interior, giving it a classic and rugged appearance. It is equipped with cold air conditioning and a fully functional heater, providing comfort in both hot and cold weather. Having already passed its emissions test, this Ranger is ready for the road and offers dependable performance for daily driving, weekend adventures, or light-duty work. Its solid drivetrain, clean title, and overall good mechanical condition make it an excellent choice for anyone looking for a durable and capable midsize pickup.
Number 10.
1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $3,500, comes with an automatic transmission, a blue exterior, and a matching blue interior. The truck is equipped with 4 newer tires, and the 4WD system is fully functional. Overall, it is clean for its age, with an interior that remains in great condition, a fair body, and a solid underside. The truck has been sitting for some time and will need a rear brake line replaced. The transmission also makes a noise when shifted into reverse, although it has not been professionally inspected. Additionally, the odometer recently stopped working, but the mileage can be verified with the clean title. Despite these issues, it offers a solid foundation for someone looking for a classic Chevrolet pickup with low verified mileage.